Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Review required courses and score your baseline with a quick diagnostic exam so you know gaps. Once done, prioritize weak topics, math or anatomy, then collect targeted resources like practice banks and a calculator. Make sure to set a study schedule this week that uses short focus sessions. By starting with concrete data on your strengths and weaknesses, you avoid wasted effort and can plan study blocks that produce measurable progress. You now move into concentrated practice. Use spaced repetition for terminology and drug classes because repetition builds recall and reduces test anxiety. Once done, run timed question sets in 30 to 60-minute blocks to train stamina and pacing. Simulate exam conditions occasionally. After each set, analyze errors thoroughly, categorize mistakes by concept, not by question, so you target underlying misunderstandings. Make sure to mix content areas each day to reinforce connection. You finish by validating readiness with full-length practice exams and tracking score trends. This shows true stamina and identifies persistent weak spots. Once done, build a micro-plan for the last 2 weeks that targets those areas with 15 to 30-minute daily drills and quick reviews. Make sure to simulate test conditions the final week. If you hit a plateau, troubleshoot by swapping resources, adjusting study techniques, or getting short, focused tutoring to break through specific misunderstandings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.